Hello, I'm Chris Spear, President and CEO of the American Trucking Associations. While SuperTech was unfortunately canceled this year, we at ATA still wanted to honor our technicians, and will do so next week through National Technician Appreciation Week. We're looking forward to the first annual celebration, and we have a lot planned so that everyone can enjoy it. Despite the continued challenges COVID-19 poses, it's great to see TMC adapt so quickly and have their task forces and study groups meet remotely, ensuring the Council's important work continues. This last weekend, I had the opportunity to visit WyoTech and see firsthand the incredible work they're doing to prepare new technicians to serve our great industry. I realize that many of you have great programs too. They are a testament to the industry's drive and dedication. The skills required to become a technician are simply incredible. At ATA, we too aren't letting COVID-19 upend our work. We've been busy advocating needed changes and improvements in legislation, regulation, and in the courts that help grow the trucking industry. While we push hard to pass comprehensive, fully funded infrastructure reforms on Capitol Hill, we're also seeing significant movement at FMCSA, including hours of service reforms and the 18 to 20-year-old driver program for interstate commerce. All are Tier 1 ATA priorities, and it's great to see wins get on the board, especially in 2020. We've also had to adjust to temporary realities and hold our key events virtually, including the mid-year management session last May and the upcoming management conference and exhibition in October. Now, I stress temporary, as these challenges are short-lived, and we look forward to being live in 2021. And ATA has also grown in the numbers of members, its revenue, and its reach throughout the nation. After months of discussion, members of the American Moving and Storage Association made the decision to dissolve their association and form a new moving and storage conference and council within the ATA. We're thrilled to support this important sector of industry, and to see it happen this year shows how hard work pays off. As we move into this year's election, the stakes are quite high. Our agenda, our future, and our ability to grow our industry is front and center. In the end, ATA will work with whoever the American voters decide, and we'll do it by telling your story at the highest possible volume. I thank TMC and all who make its work part of our ATA and industry agenda. What you do matters. Keep it up. Our future depends on it. Thank you.